Now on to example number 2. In example 2, it says to expand multiplication expressions, we will rewrite the expressions by including the dot symbol of multiplication back into the expressions. So in this example, we're going to be doing the exact opposite of what we did in example 1. We're going to be expanding them out. We're going to expand them out as far as we can. So in letter A, we know that 5 is a factor, and G is also a factor. So we could say that 5G expanded would be like that there. Letter B, 7 is a factor, A is a factor, B is a factor, and so is C. Now, letter C, we can have 12 as a factor and G as a factor, but if we break it apart even more, we can split that 12 up into prime factors. We could say that 2 times 2 times 3 gives us 12, and then multiply that by G. So we can expand it out to 2 times 2 times 3 times G. In letter D, we can expand this into 3 times H times 8. But we can expand it out even further by saying 3 times H times 2 times 2 times 2. Because that 8 can be broken into 2 times 2 times 2. And then finally, letter E, we have 7 times G times 9 times H, which we can break into 7 times G. That's as far as we can get with 7 because it's a prime factor. But 9 can be broken into 3 times 3, and then, of course, times H.